friends, thank you for coming back. It's Elaine Marie. How are you today? Well, I hope everyone is doing great. And I was looking up the other night at the supermoon. So you know what I thought? I'm going to make the supermoon, and I thought I would share that with you. I took my canvas and I painted it black, but I mixed some white into that, so it wasn't all just solid black. And I have a dark gold and a medium brown. I started painting it already, but I just wanted to finish and show you. So what I did was, I took a lid to make a round circle. I'm using my angular brush, and I noticed something too, friends. Okay, yeah, there you go. If you press down hard, the tip of that brush will follow that right on through. Now with the supermoon, I'm going to dab a little bit of the brown, because the supermoon is not a solid color. I'm going to mix a little bit more with the dark yellow. Just kind of give it little swirls here and there. Oh, I just love that. It's pretty cool. And I don't know if you know this, but the supermoon is also called buck moon. B-U-C-K, buck moon. I didn't know that either. So we're just going to dab a little of that dark and lightly just go over it like that. There you go. That's what I like about the angular brush. When you press down, that tip will really follow along the roundness of your painting. Well, friends, I hope you're having a great time. Again, take your canvas, black with some white mixed with it. Not to make it a gray, but do your black and just come in with a little white. And then trace out whatever size you want your moon to be. And then darker gold, a little bit. You can use the same brush. You don't have to even clean your brush. You can use the same brush and do some dabbing into that. I really, really like that. And that's my supermoon. And I'm sure yours is looking fabulous too. Well, friends, can't wait. I hope you join me into the next video. You have a wonderful day. Okay, keep it safe. Bye-bye now.